The aroma of freshly brewed coffee stays perfect at your ideal temperature. Your fridge's freshness is effortlessly maintained, and your kitchen gadgets are clean, organized, and drying themselves. All while you're catching your favorite cooking show on a screen perfectly angled above the counter. These 5 gadgets each serve a unique purpose, but they all aim for the same result: transforming your kitchen into a smarter, more efficient space. Starting with number 1, Ember Smart Mug. You'll never need to rush through your coffee again. With the Ember Smart Mug, you can set your exact preferred temperature between 120 and 145 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring every sip is just how you like it. The mug's battery lasts up to 80 minutes, or keep it on the coaster for all-day warmth. Whether you're using the app to customize presets or just relying on its memory, this mug intelligently wakes up when you need it and sleeps when it's not in use. No more guesswork. Your beverage stays perfectly warm. Number 2. ACURITE Wireless Refrigerator Thermometer. Keep your food stored at the safest temperatures with the ACURITE Wireless Thermometer. This system tracks both fridge and freezer temperatures and alerts you when conditions slip out of your preset range. With 2 wireless sensors and a digital display, you'll know instantly if that freezer door was left open or if your fridge isn't cooling properly. Easy to install and customizable alarms give you total control over food safety, ensuring freshness and preventing waste. Number 3. Charmline Smart Cutting Board and Knife Set. Elevate your kitchen hygiene with this cutting-edge set. 3 color-coded cutting boards, each designed for specific food types, alongside premium stainless steel knives, help prevent cross-contamination while ensuring precision in every cut. After use, the cutting boards and knives dry themselves in the smart holder, keeping your tools clean and ready for the next task. Efficiency meets cleanliness, so you can focus on the joy of cooking, not the cleanup. Number 4. Sylvox Smart Kitchen TV. Cooking just got more entertaining with the Sylvox Smart Kitchen TV. Its foldable, space-saving design allows for perfect viewing angles, no matter where you are in the kitchen. Stream your favorite cooking shows, follow along with recipe tutorials, or cast your phone screen, all in crisp 1080p quality. Built-in apps and a wide-angle display make this the ultimate companion for those long hours in the kitchen, combining functionality with fun. Number 5. Innovia Touchless Paper Towel Dispenser. In the middle of meal prep with messy hands? Simply wave, and the Innovia Touchless Dispenser gives you the exact number of paper towels you need. Nothing more, nothing less. It's not only convenient, but it also helps reduce waste by retracting unused sheets. Mounted under your cabinet, it fits seamlessly into your kitchen setup, offering a smarter, cleaner solution to handling spills and messes. If you're all about smarter tech, check out 5 game-changing robot cleaning solutions for your home next. It's ready to play on the screen now.